Hello viewers, this lecture is based on London dispersion force, that is also known as instantaneous dipole-induced dipole. Now as we have done dipole-dipole and dipole-induced dipole, so it's the fourth part of that. If we talk about the definition of the London dispersion, so it will be something like a temporary attractive force due to formation of temporary dipoles in a non-polar molecule. When the electrons in two adjacent atoms are displaced in a such way that atoms get some temporary dipoles, they attract other through the London dispersion force. Or we can also understand it by some things like here the word temporary attractive forces is used. Basically, London dispersion force is a temporary force. Like for instance, just suppose that we have two non-polar atoms. When these non-polar atoms will come closer to each other, there will be instant change in one of the dipole. It will be induced. And because of this induction, the negatively charged particle will attract its positively charged particle. Now, when these positively charged particle will attract this negatively charged particle, there would be an instant induction. There would be no constant induction, but it would be an instant induction, and it is written by the arrow 2. Now this instant induction and attractive force between the positive and the negative one is known as the London dispersion force. It is basically a temporary force. Sometimes because of London dispersion force, there is change of the state in the solid one. Just suppose as we told you about the liquefaction. So in liquefaction there is a change. Because of what? Because of pressurization. Just suppose that the molecules are also being pressurized. When they are pressurized, there is attractive force. Now this attractive force is London dispersion force. Now these type of forces are held only in become gases, where these gases particles are pressurized and sometimes it changes the states. Now this change in state cause these particles to have constant dispersion. And that's all about the concept of the London dispersion force. Thanks for watching.